Hi there guys, welcome to another video. So, you join me at the gym, and today we're going to rectify what was wrong in the last video, and it looks a lot better than it did. So, we will get on. So that's floor press and shoulders. We might double the session up, so we might do 2 sessions of shoulders and 2 sessions of floor press. Let's get set up. So, let's get set up. See you in a bit. So, that's us set up. Now I've got to start floor pressing. Working up to, check the program, I think it's 105 for a triple. 105 for a triple. Give that a go. Yeah. Now if it looks like I'm doing floor press really weird, it's because I'm having to shut my eyes, because the sun, when I'm in the floor press position, is directly in my eyes. So having them open, I'm blind, so I may as well close them. So I'm having to do it fully on muscle memory and feel. So that's why it looks weird. It's because it is weird. But push forward and we'll get on it. I'll take the sun any day over rain, so we're sorted. Just thought I'd put that out there. So, never been a massive fan of floor press. When I bench as wide as legally possible, but I find just I'm not doing a full movement, obviously the floor stopping it, I have to bring it in a little bit. It just feels really weird, coupled with having to shut my eyes. It's good fun, but we'll keep pushing forward. I'd rather floor press than no bench orientated press until the gym's open. I know they're opening soon, but I'd still rather stimulate the chest, all this kind of jazz, make the muscle moving than not. So I also find if I can press what I'm hoping to press on bench and I can do it on floor press, therefore should translate better onto bench once I do get on a bench and actually start bench pressing properly. So that's my thinking, if I can do it here on floor press, then I can do it properly on bench. So yeah, we'll keep pushing ahead. So that should have been a triple, but it's not feeling great, and there's nowhere on bench with me I can go for another rep after the previous rep feeling great, and it can be fine, and I can go for it and it can't feel fine. And as with it being a floor press, there's nowhere to hide. I'm going to do that at 3 singles. The weight's really light, so it's not a problem. I'm just going to do that at 3 singles, knowing that I'm comfortably okay, as opposed to push for it and get stalled, and then I'm in an issue. So I'm just going to do a 3 singles instead of a triple, and count that as that's fine, because these are still, the start of the program is still really easy. If that was on bench, that would just fly like that. But just to be on the safe side, it'd make a great video for you all, but not for me. So instead of a triple, I'm going to do 3 singles, and then I'll be happy with that. Should have worn shorts. It's hot. That's 44 for set 5. Top set today should be 55 for 5. It's gonna be 54 for 5. Don't have any 2.5s. You see it? Focus. There we go. So 50 and then 54. And then we're done. So that's top set done. I understand it's not amazing weight, but you can start somewhere. Pardon me. I always like on a program to leave some in the tank. So leave a couple of reps. If it's a 5, I don't want the 5th one to be RP 10. I like it to be in a comfortable range, so we'll see. We might, what would it be? So if it's 5s, it's going to be 3s next. 60 for a triple. Yeah, we'll do 60 for a triple. We'll do the end rep of the next session. 60 for a triple. I'll catch you there. Right, so top set today was 55 for 5, but I've pushed on and I'm going to do 60 for a triple. Still no great weight, but more I can do today, the closer I get to my goal. So this is top set. That's the session done today. Happy with that. That fixed the stuff that I couldn't do the other day when I got rained off. So we're back in an even keel now. So start the week off. Filming this on a Sunday, so start the week off on a good note. I will catch you in a bit. Right, so that's training done. Just picking Jeremy up. Right, see if I can get a cheeky haircut. But just thought I'd touch up on the fact that I'm able to train at the moment in such an uncertain. I find training for me, it's a big. I find it's my therapy. I really enjoy training, not just because it's my hobby and I like to progress. I think there's no better feeling than moving a weight you've never moved before or progressing. I like that, but it also it's like my therapy. I mean, I'm blessed with my job and all those things that come with that. I'm blessed. My job isn't a job. I enjoy it, and I find if you can get a balance of work and life, and both of them you enjoy, and you're doing things that really push you and make you better, then surely that's a good thing. But train, I can have had a really bad day at work or a really stressful day, and I can train and it goes. So it's my therapy, it's my release. It's maybe not the best word. It's just my therapy. I enjoy it, and the fact that I'm able to at the moment get some training, I don't know how many days it is. If Dave wasn't allowing me to use it, I'll work it out and I'll put it on the screen somewhere. How many days it is I will have been I'll work it out from the last day I trained to the 25th of July, which at the moment is the day the government's saying the gyms will be open. I will work out how many days that worked out to be, put it on the screen. That's how many days I wouldn't have been able to train. And running your own business is stressful enough. When you can plan for stuff, you can budget for stuff, you can do all this. But when stuff like this, no one could have predicted this. You can't budget for something you can't predict. So it's come out the blue. Sorry, I'm just looking. Yeah. Anyway, you can't budget for this, so it's been a stressful time. So knowing that I've got that to train, that release, no, stop saying release, that bit of freedom, because I like being in the gym and talking to people, but I also like it when you get in there, headphones on, music on, program, you know what you're doing, you know what you've got to move, you've got to lift, you've got to pull, you know all your accessories, because at the moment I'm obviously very limited on the accessory work I can do. Can do the odd few accessory movements, but no actual full-on machines to do the accessory on. So when I get back in the gym, I'll be able to do all that, so I'll be fully back on it, because I know at the moment the training's maybe not the most exciting to watch, but it's a journey, and you've got to start a journey somewhere. So I'm starting it here, and we will push, and I'm excited to see where we can go. It's going to be an up and down, as everything is. It's not going to be a linear movement. It's going to be up and down. There's going to be setbacks. There's always going to be, but I'm excited to see where we can go. I'm excited to see where the channel can go, because I'm really enjoying this. Really enjoying doing what I'm doing. I'm finding it might not be coming across, but I'm finding the talking to the camera or cameras easier. It's not as awkward. It's not as awkward. First day, the first video I did, proper awkward. It's like, it was so alien to talk to a camera. But I feel like I'm getting better at it. I feel like it's becoming more natural. I also feel like the videos are getting good. To be honest, I think my first video was good. To say I've never done anything like that ever, I was surprised and pleased with how good the video is. It's also, I'm getting less embarrassed, because whipping a camera out in a supermarket or in here or in there, it can be embarrassing, but I'm getting less embarrassed now, to the point of I don't care what people think. I can do what I want, which I am doing. And I've been waffling for ages, I think. But I feel like it was important to let people know that I don't just go to the gym to get stronger. I don't just go to the gym to progress. I go to the gym because it's my therapy. I need it. That's why I think there's quite a lot of people out there that use the gym as therapy. Because it's a funny old world out there. Funny old world. Yeah. But as I say, just waiting for Jamie to finish, and then we're going to have dinner. So, what makes you think it rot? I started this as I started training, and it's gone. It rot. So, yeah, I will catch up with you in a bit, and we'll see where we go. We'll see what happens. Catch you in a bit. Bye. So, hi guys. Eagle-eyed viewers among you will notice the different t-shirt. It's because this is a different day. This is the day after I filmed the last one. I just didn't get to finish the video on the last one, so I'm ending it here. It's looking some very nice views from where I'm parked just before I get Jamie, so I'm going to put the drone up, or Mav as I've called it. I want to call it Droney, but other YouTubers already call it that, so I'm going to put Mav up, send it for a spin to get some cinematics. You'll have seen them because they'll have been before this, but I'm going to end it here. That's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz. I always say that. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.